Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset GoPro 11 or any other GoPro. So we have, maybe we want to perform a software reset or fix a frozen screen, or we want factory reset. So this depends a little bit, but the first method is press and hold the mode button. So let's go and do that. So if I let me go back to this here. Now if I just want to reset my camera, I can hold this button right over here. So it's here in this side, as you can see, mode button. So if I press this button now for a few seconds, now you see it's power off. That means that I reset the camera. Now the other method is, so the second method is simply to remove the battery. So if your camera is frozen, so let me do that. Now I have opened the doors right here, and as you can see right here is the battery. Now if I simply remove this battery just like that, it will be basically switched off. Now the factory reset. Now for the factory reset, swipe down and then swipe left, go to preferences right here, and then when we are in preferences, scroll to the bottom, and here you will see reset. So click on that, and now you can select here factory reset, and this will do reset for you right here, and camera will be as is out of the box state. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.